I'm Grace.
So let's get started.
I'm a recipe blogger, family-taught home chef,
Cheers.
Cheers.
iPhone-only photographer, and proud New Englander. Creamy mushroom pasta is one of my favorite dishes. Believe it or not, there's no cream. Marsala wine and butter are the secret ingredients. I am starving, even just thinking about this pasta, so let's just do it. I prepped all my ingredients, and that's what I advise you to do first before you go over to the stove and prep the actual pasta. So starting off with your mushrooms, the star of the show, I use two types. I use baby bella mushrooms and I use shiitake mushrooms. Baby bellas have a really high water content, so they make a nice sauce, and shiitakes have this really nice, like, classic mushroom, earthy taste. Slice them in half, set them aside. And then the classic for all my pasta dishes, I use garlic, shallots, and olive oil. It makes the best pasta, those combinations. And then we're going to do something a little bit more indulgent for this pasta. Some butter. It's gonna add a touch of like creaminess without adding any cream. Some marsala wine. I use sweet marsala wine, which sounds kind of weird, but it adds just a touch of sweetness and it's awesome with mushrooms. And then of course, parmigiano. Sample. Quality assurance. Good. And then I have my pasta. I have some pappardelle pasta. You can also use tagliatelle or fettuccine. I think I said it right. I just like pasta that's a little bit more wide and long shaped. And then finally, I have some fresh Italian parsley that I'm just going to garnish our pasta with. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a nice chop. I managed to make a mess as usual, but I achieved the goal of chopped parsley. All right, I'm gonna take my mushrooms, my pasta, and let's go over to the stove. All right, so now all we have to do is assemble all of your ingredients. So I have a pan, a big pan over medium heat, and to it I'm going to add in some olive oil and then some butter. And then I'm going to add in my garlic and finally my shallots. Just pop them all in. And then I'm gonna take a little spoon here, a little spatula, and just stir this all together, and we're gonna saute the shallots and the garlic for about 2 to 3 minutes, just until they're nice and soft. And now the marsala wine goes in, the best part. All that flavor with the mushrooms, of course. Add those right in too. And all you want to do here is you just want to cook down your mushrooms until they've reduced in size by about half, and you have a nice, creamy, delicious sauce. I'll show you what I mean. So this is perfect. It's been about 5-6 minutes, and the mushrooms have really shrunk, probably about by half, but we still have a decent amount of liquid here, which is exactly what you want. You don't want to reduce the liquid too much. All right, time to add that parmigiano. I'm just gonna stir in that parmigiano reggiano, and the sauce is gonna get nice and creamy and delicious. I also added some salt and pepper there too, just to taste. I turned my burner to very, very low heat just to keep this guy warm while our pasta is cooking. I drained our al dente pasta, and I'm gonna add all of it right into our sauce. And then take tongs, and you just want to work the sauce into your pasta.
It's really good. Check this out.
on tastefullygrace.com. You won't regret it.
Your hair is wild.
You know what else is wild? How much I dressed up for the people. Sunday best. I love the texture of a good shroom.